Hi friends, today video about Sony HT-A7000 Soundbar.
A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon.
The Sony HT-A7000 Soundbar debuted at the end of 2021, effectively replacing the earlier Sony HT-ST5000 model. Two up-firing speakers for overhead sound, two beam tweeters, 5 front speakers, and a subwoofer for bass are all included in the HT-A7000, which has a total power of 500 watts. A mishmash of textures and materials covers all those speakers. A metal grille covers all of the front-firing drivers and a small LED screen on the front, while a fabric mesh covers the up-firing drivers on the top. The touch capacitive control buttons are located on the top. The build quality of the Sony HT-A7000 is excellent. It's largely made of plastic, which seems solid and long-lasting, while the front metal grille protects the drivers. A glass plate sits on top, giving it a more expensive appearance. The fabric on top that covers the up-firing drivers is a little loose, but it appears to be of decent quality. It's big and hefty, yet it has a high-end feel to it. Running a basic room calibration test is the most basic action you can take to improve the sound quality of the soundbar. This takes only 20 seconds and will inform the soundbar about its distance from walls and which channels require additional power. In the simple UI Sony provides, you can manually modify those parameters, but most people will be okay with the automatic calibration. Without any additional gear connected, you'll hear robust and clear dialogue right out of the box. Throughout our tests, we were able to clearly hear dialogue regardless of the source, even when changing the TV's sound mode to something more dynamic, such as the cinema sound mode on a Sony TV. There's a lot to appreciate about the HT-A7000 in terms of stereo imaging and soundstage. It's a musically accomplished soundbar. When you listen to 360 reality audio music, you get a true room-filling sound with a precise notion of where all the instruments are. Overall, we believe most people will be satisfied with the sound quality provided by the soundbar. You want a soundbar with a wide range of frequencies that can play Dolby Atmos content. While the height channels could be a little louder, the A7000 is a capable soundbar that hits most of the correct notes. It comes with a little bit of everything out of the box, and you can always boost up the bass or surround channels with additional hardware. The HT-A7000 isn't for you if you want a complete system with a subwoofer and surround components in a single box. Yes, those items may be purchased separately, but they are more expensive than some HTIB systems from other manufacturers. The Sony HT-A7000 is priced at $1,399, $1,699 Australian dollars, £1,299 for the soundbar alone. If you want to add a subwoofer and rear speakers, you'll have to pay an extra $300, £599 Australian dollars, £449, or $350, £649 Australian dollars, or £449 depending on which of Sony's two subwoofers you pick with. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.
Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come down with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.